Welcome everybody to Post Atomic. Now today's episode is kind of weird. Well, maybe it's weird for me, not for you guys, but it's a short episode. When I started recording it, I did not intend at all for it to be its own episode. But halfway through, I realized, I'm getting enough footage in here that it's going to need its own episode. And it's barely enough footage to make that episode. So here it is. I'm probably going to release it as a bonus, not as a part one of whatever. So it's going to be a bonus material since it's only about 6 or 7 minutes long. And it's the abandoned George Air Force Base Family Services Building. Now, when we were walking by there, we had no intentions on going inside, but the door was open, so it was so inviting. So that's why we went in. So go ahead and like the video, share it. That's what helps grow the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any episodes. And I hope you guys enjoy this short bonus. Thank you. Huh? Well, this is a low ceiling. I just kicked on the light so we could see everything. Yeah. It's taking pictures. Hello, anybody here? Oh wow, this thing's just... Yeah, I almost just ate it right there.
This is old. Look at the doors.
Yeah, if you look at the way everything's set up, this might have been right. This might have been a shelter. Almost looks like a stable. Back your horse up right there.
What is that? Tower 9 squad.
Maybe if anybody knows what this is about, go ahead.
Look at
Comment.
Tower 8.
Tower 8?
Look at shit.
Yeah, 18. 41917. Barf bucket.
That's a little weird.
Yeah, okay. I don't know, maybe they come here and do like some airsoft games or something. Yikes, look at that. Man. What? You heard the doors squeaking, dear. Somebody forgot to clean their room. Somebody's mom's gonna be mad. Here's the other side of that person's room. I don't know, it looks like they were trying to maybe clean this building up at one point, and they were just dumping it all into one spot. Let's see. No, this is a wood Looks like it's going to be wood. So we don't need to go up there. We get a little freaked out. So we're both gonna hightail it out of here. Don't go down there. It's dark. Oh, look, we found some more of these things. That one's dated May 13th, 2004.
419, 519.
Yeah, there's got to be like some airsoft games or something. Oh, they killed Vic. Told Vic to stay out of here.
Here's another one.
In case you guys always wondered what a staging area was, that's it. This is a makeshift podium. Stair drag, Tower 9. For 13/36/22. Okay, maybe those aren't dates. Those are probably times or something. Are you ready to get out of here? Oop. And that probably just leads to the outside. Well, if you guys liked what you saw, go ahead and give it a like. If you guys could share the video, that would help the channel grow, and it would help us out a lot. As of right now, we only have 6 subscribers. I'm pretty sure I know every single one of them personally. So, share the video. Share this with your friends. Share it wherever you can share it. Help the channel grow. Also, you can help the channel grow by clicking subscribe and hitting the bell button so you never miss out on any of our adventures. Thank you for watching Post Atomic.